I'm Devin from Dr. Garage, and this video I'm going to be showing you about these spare keys and key fobs for a bunch of Chevy and GM and Buick vehicles. So this kit comes with 2 remotes, 2 fobs, and 2 keys. It's a pretty universal one. There are a couple of different ones depending on your vehicle. So like this has the trunk release on it, so that's not going to work for every vehicle. But these are pretty standard. You got your remote start, lock, unlock, trunk, like your power trunk release, and your panic button, your horn. It also comes with keys, so you can get the keys cut to your vehicle. I can't remember if it comes with batteries or not, but I've been using these on our Buick for a couple of months. They've worked out pretty good. Just if you do need to replace the battery, you just have to take this little ring off here and use like a little flathead screwdriver to be able to pry apart the 2 halves, and then you can replace the battery inside of there. But yeah, these are working good. I mean, they program super easy too, so even if you're not very familiar with vehicles, if you need to replace your key fob, there are instructions on how to program this. You don't need any kind of special tool. It's all done through the buttons for like the instrument cluster and the entertainment center and stuff. There's some options in there that allow you to program keys. So if your key fobs are dead, they don't work anymore, go ahead and pick some of these up. They work great.